Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with sparse or unruly brows that just won't stay put, I think you're gonna find this really interesting. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. So today, we're taking a close look at the NYX Professional Makeup Thick It Stick It Thickening Brow Mascara Gel Bundle in Brunette and Espresso. This is a tinted brow gel designed to tame, tint, and thicken all brow types with an ultra-buildable vegan formula that promises a natural look that lasts up to 16 hours. The gel features plant origin fibers that layer from thick to thicker to thickest, giving you that one-and-done brow look without fuss. Plus, it's flake, smudge, and transfer resistant, which sounds ideal for long days. When I first tried this gel, I was curious how it would handle both my sparse areas and my thicker brow hairs. The application is straightforward. The brush picks up just the right amount of product, and the fibers really help fill in gaps while keeping the brows soft and natural looking. I tried layering it a few times to see how buildable it really is, and it honestly delivers, from a subtle enhancement to more defined, full brows without any clumping. The texture feels lightweight, not sticky or stiff, which I really appreciate because it keeps my brows flexible all day. A couple of things I noticed in real-world use. The gel holds up beautifully through normal daily activities, coffee runs, meetings, even a short workout, and it doesn't flake or smudge, which is a huge plus. On the downside, I did find that on very fine or sparse brows, you have to be a bit careful with layering. Too much can create a slightly fibrous look. But overall, it's easy to control and forgiving. Pros? The buildable formula, long wear, and natural finish are definite highlights. I also love that it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is increasingly important in the beauty world. Cons would be that it requires a bit of technique on super sparse brows and that the color selection could be expanded for more nuanced tones. In terms of value, this bundle is solid. NYX delivers professional quality makeup at a reasonable price point, especially considering the longevity and versatility of this brow gel. Compared to other tinted brow gels on the market, I find this one stands out for its fiber technology and all-day hold, offering results that rival some higher-end brands without the steep price tag. The packaging is compact and sturdy, perfect for travel or tossing in your makeup bag. The formula seems long-lasting, both in wear and in shelf life, so I'd expect it to be a reliable staple in your routine for months. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't needed to contact NYX customer support for this product, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for handling inquiries efficiently, which is reassuring if any issues arise. If you're looking for alternatives at a slightly lower price point, other drugstore tinted brow gels offer similar smudge-proof and buildable results, though the fiber technology in NYX's gel does give it a noticeable edge for fuller-looking brows. All in all, the NYX Thick It Stick It Thickening Brow Gel Bundle delivers on its promise. It tints, tames, and thickens with ease, giving you flexible, natural-looking brows that last. If you struggle with sparse areas, or just want an effortless way to boost your brow game, this is definitely worth trying. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab this brow gel is in the comments. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.